Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 2 of the chapter Visualizing Solid Shapes. In this part 2, we will revise solving questions of exercise 10.1 and further we will discuss some more concepts of mapping. Children, this video you are going to watch on 6th February 2021. Coming to the exercise 10.1, I gave you already question number 1 question number 1 where you need to map the object with a side view and top view, whereas in the case of a bottle, side view and top views are mapped. Now second one is a weight. A weight, its side view and its top view to be mapped. Where is the top view of it? See here, a flask side view we have here and its top view is here. When it comes to a cup and saucer, a cup and saucer's side view is here and that's top view is here. Then a container, its side view is here and its top view is here. Now it is very evident this is the top view of the weight, where 5 into 6 or 5 kg or something like that it is written. G is little, looks like 6, but it is 5 kg. Okay. So this is the mapping exercise which I have given as homework for you. Then I gave you question number 2 also as a homework for you, whereas we are given first and second and third numbered views for each object, such as an almirah, front view, side view and top view. For the rest of the things you need to express. Coming to the sub question B, a matchbox, its side view is this one and its top view is a fish shape here and this is the front view. So this is how we identify which view of it is. Further, here sub question C and sub question D I gave you as homework. That is a television, its front view, its side view and its top view. A car, its front view, its side view and its top view. So these were the homeworks that I gave. Now further we have a third question in exercise 10.1 where each solid is made up of combining cubes. Identify top view, front view and side view of them. So first one, here you need to identify this is the solid. I can say this as a top view, this is a front view and this is side view. Why? Because top view will be of 3 squares and this is top view, whereas here this is front view and it is top view and here first one is side view. Similarly, we have got sub question C and D and here is the front view for the given figure. Then top view will have only 2 squares and side view have got 3. Side view has got 3 squares. Coming to the sub question D, This is the front view, and here is the side view, and here is the top view. Then last question, E. Here we have got an object containing totally 4 cubes put together. This has got top view, second one is top view, front view is third, and side view is first one. And there is a main question 4 in the exercise 10.1. that main question 4 is about drawing. For the given three-dimensional shapes, you need to draw the front view, side view and top view. Okay, the objects are first hut or a tent. Front view, you have to plot it or draw it. Side view and top view you have to draw it. Another is table. Okay, so here is the front view, and this how side view will be for a tent, and this is how we'll have top view. Then coming to the table, table's front view, side view and top view. Top view is just like a rectangular region. Then sub question C and D, weight, already we have plotted with the match the following, you can draw it, and hexagonal block, this you can do it. And sub question E and F, a dice, normal a dice contains 6 surfaces, and each surface numbers will be there. Here you could see where top view containing 2, front view containing 3, side view containing 1, same thing we will plot. Another blocks 1, front view, we have side view, top view, you have to plot it. Okay, then another important topic which we are going to do it is mapping space around us. How do we read maps? You have been dealing with the maps since your primary classes. What can we conclude and understand while reading a map? What information does a map have and what it does not have? Is it any different from a picture? These are all the questions arises. How do we read maps? What can we conclude and understand while reading maps? What information does a map have and what it does not have? Is it different from a picture? So let us learn about it. For example, in geography, you have been asked to locate a particular state or a particular river or a mountain, etc. on map. You have traced routes of rivers, roads, railway lines and traders and many others. Look at the map of the house as well as picture is given alongside. Children, this is the picture, but this is the map. It's outline map, but this is the picture. Are they same? No, they are not same. They are two different things. Now we will go for how to differentiate the picture and a map. Coming to the, when we draw a picture, we attempt to represent reality as it is seen with all its details. But whereas a map depicts only location of an object in relation to the other object. Secondly, different persons can give descriptions of pictures completely different from one another. So we perceive differently the pictures, but is it the same case with the map? No. Remember, depending upon the position of a person from which they are looking at the house, they perceive differently the house. But in the case of map, everyone will have same information read out of the map. This is not true in the case of map. The map of the house remains the same irrespective of person or position of the observer, isn't it? So that's how I can conclude perspective is very important for drawing a picture, but it is not relevant for a map. Now with examples, let me give you the points. Point number 1. A map depicts the location of a particular object or a place in relation to the other object or place. Symbols are used to depict the different objects or different places. There is no reference or perspective in map. That is, objects that are closer to be observed are shown to be of the same size as those that are farther away. For example, look at the following illustrations. Here is a road, along the side trees. This is the picture, but whereas map of it, this is how it looks like. Whether the distance between two trees is equal or not equal, the trees are big or not big, that doesn't matter at all when it comes to the map. Just we locate the positions. So maps use a scale which is fixed for a particular map. It reduces the real distances proportionately to distances on other paper, right? So these are the important points that you need to understand about picture and map. Now let us get into the exercise 10.2. Children, look at the given map of a city. Here is the city, and you need to answer the following questions by reading the given map. Question 1. Color the map as follows: blue as water, red a fire station, orange library, yellow schools, green parks, pink colleges, purple hospital, brown cemetery. See, you can take this picture on your paper with the help of your textbook. You need to color them. That is one skill work. Next, mark a green cross symbol at the intersection of roads C and Nehru Road. You have to observe where is the Nehru Road, and you have to find out where road C intersects that with a green cross X. Same green Y to be marked at the intersection of Gandhi Road with road A. Okay, this is another work which you have to do. Question number C. You have to color red, draw a short street route from library to the bus depot. You have to draw bus depot to library or library to the bus depot, the shortest route. Okay, these are the works to be done. I am giving it as homework. I am giving another work as a homework. Here, question number D, which is further east the city, park or the market, and which is farther south the primary school or the senior secondary school. These are the questions which you can answer after drawings. Then main questions 2nd, 3rd and 4th of exercise 10.2, I am giving it as homework. So do them. So you need to revise all the topics given for your pre-board exam along with this homeworks. Don't forget it. Wishing you good luck for your pre-board 2 exam. I will take little more concept of this chapter and wind up this session. Students, now we are going to learn another important topic called faces, edges and vertices. Here, look at the following solids. Here is a solid cube where cube contains 3 important words. One vertex, another face and third is edge. Plural of vertex is vertices. Remember children, vertex is just nothing but point end. Face is nothing but region. It can be rectangular region or a square region. Edges is just nothing but a line. You know the meaning of a point, line and a region. In a cube, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices will be there. 8 vertices. Then, in a cube, you know there are 6 surfaces. So, we call them faces. You might have seen normally while playing Ludo the dice. That die contains 6 surfaces. Then on each of the surface you can see 4 line segments. If you start counting line segments, you could find 1, 2, 3, 4 along the length, along the breadth 5, 6, 7, 8 and along the height 9, 10, 11, 12. So, there are 12 edges. So, we are going to learn about faces, edges and vertices in our coming class. Watch some more solid shapes further. Here is a cuboid. If you observe, even in this cuboid, same 8 vertices are there, 6 surfaces are there and 12 edges are there. And then coming to the another important shape, if you watch this, it is called square based pyramid. See children, this is the shape what we normally see Egypt pyramids, okay, where the mummies are kept. Here in this square based pyramid, how many vertices are there? How many edges are there? And how many faces are there? You can count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges are there. And you can see square base as a one face and 4 triangular regions put together, 5 surfaces or 5 faces. So, this is how you can count, and you are going to learn relation between the faces, edges and vertices Here I am going to give you a riddle. Riddle is, I have no vertices. An object is saying, I have no vertices and I have no flat faces also. I have surface but not flat face. Who am I? Even it doesn't have edges also. Children, keep thinking about this. With this, I am going to wind up today's session. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you. Jai Hind.